up every day saying life is a bitch. You either die broke or you busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forgive, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits. Trying to get money till I cash out. Like you break your arm if you're looking for a handout. I've been on the move for a long time. Fighting with the man on my shoulder, I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all. I was getting one play a day, now I got a couple thousand on my catalog. See through you niggas know OG sound. School of motherfuckers, you a class clown. You was talking shit, where you at now? Everybody play the tough guy till his man down. Dancing with the devil, Lucy always here to function. Dealing with having options, see more tears than an onion. I was following my passion, probably die for the shit. Probably come and get the bus. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, boy, when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like a trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. You don't wanna whip me on a bad day. Finna take off on the runway. Always on my job, working hard, treated every single day like it's Monday. Started from the bottom, bitch, I'm still here. Gunning for the top, will I make it there? Rapping with the legends in the top 10. I've been on the edge, I got no fear. Please don't you do me no favors, no trust for these niggas that put it together. They planning to take it apart. Not enough fingers on both of my hands to count all the backstabbers that came from my heart. Stuck to my guns and I got them reloaded. Proceeding with caution, I'm playing it smart. Won't be forgotten, I swear that I'm leaving my mark. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, boy, when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like the trust is hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, that bitch is mine now. This shit is automatic and I come up with the static. I ain't never been to college, but they gotta give me credit. And I'm doing double damage, you don't need paramedics. No one there fucking challenge. Got that fire like a phoenix, getting better every minute, every hour, every second. Every time I'm on the record, I don't know what they expecting, but my shit done manifested and I'm about to go ballistic. No, the boys fucking sick and I ain't talking about the jets. How to go and do this shit dolo. She can get wild like Steve-O. Since day one I've been bueno. Everything I drop straight fuego. Way too much to prove, I ain't come out here to lose. Came a long fucking way, couldn't last in my shoes. Yeah, they sleeping on me, guess they hitting snooze. If you standing in my way, motherfucker, better move. Woke up every day saying life is a bitch. You either die broke or you busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forgive, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits.
Get it. Take a wreck, so hey, she already know I'm coming. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get crossed cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whippy, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip.
See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. Got $1 billion plan on my mental. See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. I got $1 billion plan on my mental. She rock designer, but that's not what she into. Crown tilt, cause this shit that she been through. Bossed up, she ain't sliding in a rental. If you fucking with my baby, I'ma end it. Killing niggas, I ain't gotta use a pistol. A weapon by myself, so nigga, what's the issue? Talking hot when we see you, we gon' fix you. Like a female nigga, soft like a tissue.
I can't slow down. You know I'm in control now. Tell these niggas that it's over now. I said we run the town.
See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. Got $1 billion plan on my mental. See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. I got $1 billion plan on my mental.
On my brain, yeah, I said I love the way she give me brain. Shorty tryna come out, tryna make a name. Yeah, I said I never switch up on the game. New foreign, never switching lane. Kim the game, I told you never switching lane. Got the new VVS on my chain. Shopping all day, you know I'm selling pain. Doing what he worth, I put him on a shirt. Yeah, I put a pussy nigga in the dirt. My niggas keep 100 like Lil Dirt. Fuck around with my gang, I said I get you murked. Yeah.
See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. Got $1 billion plan on my mental. See my diamond like the way I keep her wrist froze. Young nigga from the block, still on 10 toes. Fuck a Jeep, I'ma pull up in that Benzo. I got $1 billion plan on my mental.
I'm in the field with them lines. I've been getting hot lately, just get by. Been on 100, ain't got time for check niggas fake in disguise. Yeah. Hey. I've been getting hot lately, just get by. Keep it 100, ain't got time for lies. Run up a check, niggas faking the skies. When it come to this money, I gotta get mine. Gotta get mine. I'm in the field with them lions. Pour me in for the syrup I'm buying. We got some burners, my niggas protected. You don't like it, but you better respect it. Young nigga putting off my section. Young niggas, we get lethal with weapons. Ran up a check, ain't shit you could tell me. Ain't shit you could tell me, hey.
D-Mark got that heat.
Bitch say she love me, I don't know what love me. Pops up the house, started hanging on thugs. Be 18 with some big dreams, gotta chase these. Niggas switch sides, 10 lies, can't play me. Bird strapped up, XD if they shady. X poured up off the lane, got me lazy. Thumb through a check, I've been chasing bread lately. Time for the rise, I've been going in daily. Just hit my line, they all waste my time. Time equals money, young nigga need mines. You know I'm gon' grind. Cut to the front, I can't wait no line. Shorty come right, she got left behind. Self-made young nigga, I'm a different kind. I'm a different kind, self-made young nigga, I'm a different kind. Money coming in, tied up on my loose ends. Riding through my city, strapped up, got the G-man. For niggas that think that I'm playing, getting to it, screaming, fuck what they saying.
D-Mark got that heat.
Kill and get money, and after that we still get money. After that, I'm still spending money. Niggas fake as fuck, they got that pretender money. Bending shit, I got that avatar bender money. Man, that bitch is on my dick like Playboy Bunny. She geeked up off the molly like the Energizer Bunny. Told her I don't walk it, baby girl, I'll run it. I've been ballin' out, OKC Thunder. Took a shit on my haters, I think they need plunges. I was high as fuck off the weed, kinda hungry. So I took a bunch of pills, ate them like munchies. I done mixed it up, never give a fuck. She gon' get on her knees, pray to me, then give it up. Told that bitch the jig is up, bitch the trigger's up. Hopping on my dick, she on that Winnie Tigger stuff. Shit, yeah, Sosa's my favorite rapper. Don't like fake niggas, hey, don't like, hey. Bitch, I'm on top of my game. Life is a picture, I'm up in a frame. How can I fuck with a lame? Run up on me, you get killed on my game. Fuck all that shit that you claim. All of these niggas be lame. Run up on me, I'ma bang. My nigga whipping, he serving a cane. I'm in the car with a Uzi. Run up on me, then I'm shooting. All of my niggas is winning. WE is not losing. Look at your bitch, she choosing. Look at the shit she doing. Look at the crowds I'm moving. Look at the money I'm moving. All I know is get cash. Run up on me, get back. Chopper on my hip, got a click clack. Bobby Brown spit crack. Niggas fake as fuck, they be mismatched. Got an army dispatch. All I know is get money, get stacks. All I know is get stacks. Catch me sipping on Jack. Catch me smoking on gas. I'ma go and do the dash. Pray to God that I crash. Suicide my life, but I don't wanna die. Working like a 9 to 5. Run up on me, you gon' die. I was gripping 45, shooting 40 times, he got 40 lives. I was feeling like a bee, run up on them, sting them like I'm in a hive. All I know is get high, yeah. Do that shit and survive. Put that shit on my life. I put my dick on your wife. That shit that she like. My niggas going crazy every day. That's on my life. All I know is get this cash, but all these niggas be trifling. Feel like a little yachty for one night. I fuck no wife, man. Yeah, hey, off of that bitch and I'm telling the story. Nigga, my son like I'm up on a boy. Run up on me, then I'm shooting my 40. Shoot him in his face, even bloody and gory. Go together like Billy and Mandy. That bitch sweeter than some fucking candy. Pull up on the scene, my toolets on my hip like Andy Manny. Yeah, you better buckle up. You wanna fight? I knuckle up. I smoke 2 blunts, jumping that shit like double dutch. That bitch on my knee. That bitch all on me. She want my money. She want my money. It's spazzing on this shit. Shit, fuck, I dropped the joint. Recovery game.
This one?
Yeah, play everything. I'm on that. Gang, 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 gang. No. Bravo for the Prada. Run up on me, I'm a chopper. I told them niggas they don't want no problems. Yeah. This be so fucking hard. Woo! Hey, yeah, try me if you wanna. You get smoke, just like some marijuana. Niggas, they broke. As a joke, it ain't funny. Run up, oh no, my chopper hold 100. I ball like OKC, KD, maybe even the Thunder. You run up on me, I'm shooting. I told you all no problems. That bitch all on me. Ooh, she finna fuck on my homies. I do my dirt and my money by lonely. Run up on me, then I'm shooting, it's over with. I ain't really with the sober shit. Try a nigga, then it's over, yeah. Got a union like Soviet. Got a union like Soviet. Life's a gamble, no poker chips. Life's a gamble, no poker chips. I be so high off my own flow, damn near overdosed the shit. Fuck the girl, overdosed the bitch. She overdosed on my dick. Told the bitch swallow my kids. Running up a hollow my tips. AK man down on walk, cause you run a damn town. Ooh, I ain't talking about a bar. Run up on me, you can get the damn rounds. Ooh, I can freestyle a mixtape. That shit filled with mixtape. I'ma run it like a race first place. I'ma run it back relay. Tell 'em scratch that like a DJ. Swipe shit like prepaid. I'm early and you late. I get it now while you wait. My flow is so great like Baby Nate to go straight 8. Run up on me, that's okay. I got an AK like an army base. All I know is get money, keep the shit 100. Ooh, pull up in the Hummer, ooh, like Birdman, I'm a stunner. Ooh, I'm a stoner like Thugger. Ooh, fuck a bitch with a rubber. Ooh, fuck a bitch undercovers. Don't tell nobody undercover lover. Ooh, I was ballin' like Shumford. Ooh, I do that shit for comfort. Ooh, Versace shirt, that's for comfort. I make them hurt, that's for comfort. I promise I'm turning to monsters. I'ma kill them all, Jeffrey Dahmer. In the kitchen, spend a couple bands trying to eat at Benihana's. Up in London trying to get it bustin', then I switched up to Berlin the same way. I switched up from my main bitch to a best friend. That's just how it is. My flow is so intricate. I'm close to this music shit, so me and music is intimate. Run up on me, I'm killing shit. I'm cashing out at the dealership. A Tommy gun in the back of the bag like John Dillinger. I could rap for days, whip the brick, I could trap for days. Niggas fake, they act for days. Niggas hate, no haterade. I was sipping on codeine, kinda like some Gatorade. Gold grill is on me, I'm feeling like Flavor Flav. This a drill, major pain off a pill. Every day feeling real, even when it's fake, I'm feeling fucking real. My mama mad at me, she mad that I fuck with pills. And she mad I fuck these hoes, but I fuck them still. I'm smoking weed out the windowsill. I'm with them redcoats, they bullin' back like Paul Revere. All I know is get the cash, they playing catch up. I hit a stain that's on his shirt, he look like ketchup.